See? Balatan lang natin lahat ng itlog habang kumukulo yung ating niluluto. Yeah, Bonel. I do not sure you're coming to eating too many eggs? No? 4 later? Yeah, mamaya ulit yung ibang itlog. So for lunch and dinner, so dahil kumulo na yung aking nilagang tubig, nilagang tubig, yung ating tubig pinakuluan. So maglaga lang tayo ng 1/2 cup dito. Isang ganito lang, 1/2 cup. So, lugaw na oatmeal yung gagawin natin. Sa halip na lugaw yung rice. Pero, oatmeal yung ating gagawin. It's very healthy. It's very healthy. Yeah. Hello, Daryl Bebes. Tapos, put na natin yung egg. Huwag dyan sa pa ako maglaro. Laki. Ayun, kunting kulo lang yun. So, dahil meron pa tayong itlog dito natira para mamaya. Like, yeah, baby, come on. Hey, shout out everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Yan, mabilis lang siya kasi lugaw yung ating gagawin. It's very healthy, yan. Yan, gano'n lang siya guys. Kasimple at kadali. Tapos may natira pa, biluti lang natin yan para next time ulit. When you dance like that, you're driving. Driving for what? Are you crazy? Driving? Why? You do that driving? Like driving? Driving? What the? Lol. Yeah. You know what, guys? Pag nagluluto ka, haluan mo ng dunks. Hello, shout out sa tanang mga Bisaya diha. Hello, mga Bisaya. Where the oatmeal is ready. Look at that. The oatmeal is ready. Oh. Alright. Done cooking. Super bilis lang yung maluto guys kasi oatmeal lang yan. Alright. Alright. That's it. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching everyone.